Let me tell you what I want to see Nigerian women become. When I was vice president, I visited a country called Sweden in Europe. And I was to have a meeting with the leadership of the government. The government is headed by a woman prime minister. The Minister of Foreign Affairs was a woman. The Minister of Finance was a woman. The Minister of Education was a woman. By the time I looked at my delegation and I looked at the delegation of the Swedish government, I found that my delegation consisted only of men. And I was embarrassed. And I said, and I committed myself to making sure that as long as I remain in politics, I will promote the advancement of women. Therefore, we had no hesitation whatsoever between 1999 and 2015 to make sure at the very minimum we complied with the Beijing Declaration. But I believe Nigeria can do more than that, because there are some African countries that have more women in cabinet than men. Rwanda is a country that has many women in government than men. Therefore, our main objective of setting up the Women Campaign Council is to make sure of your active participation. And by your active participation, we will be able to identify the talents that are available amongst you so that we can hunt those talents to help us build this country. I don't want to go too much. There are so many attributes in women that men don't have. For instance, you are less corrupt. So PDP women, I am challenging you to provide that leadership. But the only way you can provide that leadership is to make sure that you give your 100% support to the party.